In the heart of Mojave, the birthplace of innovation, Scaled Composites' legendary prototypes stand ready, their twin fuselages gleaming in the first golden rays of sunrise. Visionary Burt Rutan shapes the future of flight, holographic models floating before his eyes as Voyager, the aircraft that redefined endurance, waits on the runway, reflecting the morning light. Proteus climbs gracefully through clouds, forward-swept wings slicing the mist, while SpaceShipOne powers up on the launch pad, its engines glowing and ready to pierce the sky, turning dreams into reality. Turbines spin with precision as blue energy spirals inside Voyager's nacelles, twin fuselages balancing power flawlessly. In the wind tunnel, glowing airflow lines trace aerodynamic mastery, a silent symphony of science and design. Inside SpaceShipOne, luxury meets technology. Panoramic windows, ambient LED lighting, and holographic displays inviting passengers into the future, while the cockpit glows with 3D flight data and synthetic terrain maps illuminating every maneuver. AI-driven autopilot adjusts flight paths with meticulous accuracy, and dynamic torque visualization illustrates energy perfectly balanced across the twin fuselages. Forward-swept wings cut through the air with elegance, energy flows tracing their carbon composite lines as SpaceShipOne glides above aurora-lit horizons, engine glow subtle and stars reflecting on polished surfaces. At extreme altitude, Proteus carries scientific payloads, floating above the clouds, while soft blue airflow circulates within the cabin, maintaining perfect pressurization. Smart diagnostics hover near engines, ensuring flawless performance, and in emergencies, a single touch activates safe return, guiding the aircraft safely to ground. Ice forms and melts on the wings with digital precision. Propeller blades adjust mid-flight to optimize efficiency, and hybrid engines roar in cinematic slow motion, a harmonious blend of rocket and jet power. Voyager lands gracefully under twinkling runway lights. Proteus skims turquoise oceans reflecting its propellers, and over desert dunes, Voyager cruises at sunset, casting cinematic shadows. Acceleration surges along the runway, sunlight glinting off composite surfaces, while from above the clouds, the Earth's curvature becomes visible, contrails glowing softly. SpaceShipOne re-enters the atmosphere, flames streaking along its heat shield in a fiery ballet, and all three aircraft stand together in Mojave hangar, spotlights highlighting radical shapes and holographic overlays floating mid-air. Passengers enjoy holographic flight data and breathtaking panoramic views. Proteus carries instruments high into the stratosphere, and cockpit close-ups show terrain maps guiding every twist and turn. 3D engine cutaways reveal airflow and glowing energy rings. Pilots test dynamics in VR cockpits with holographic HUDs. And Voyager, Proteus, and SpaceShipOne merge in a glowing wave of innovation connecting past and future. Finally, all three aircraft soar in formation at sunset, cinematic glow highlighting their radical lines, a testament to visionary genius, and the text reads, "Scaled Composites, genius designs shaping the future of luxury and space travel."